Year 2087. Earth is no longer humanity's only home. A rocket pierces the silence of space, carrying more than astronauts. It carries hope, fear, and the future of our species. For the first time in history, humans are not traveling to explore. They are traveling to stay. What if humanity actually succeeded in building the first fully self-sustaining colony on Mars? Would it be our greatest triumph, or the beginning of a new divide in human history? After decades of failures, explosions, political debates, and impossible dreams, a coalition led by SpaceX and supported by NASA finally achieves the unthinkable. Not a base, not a research station, a permanent city. The first settlers know one thing: they may never see Earth again. When their ship lands, red dust rises like smoke from a sleeping giant. Humanity has stepped onto another world, not as visitors, but as residents. Mars is hostile. Radiation storms rage across the barren plains. Temperatures drop lower than Antarctica. The atmosphere is thin and unforgiving, so the city is built underground, carved into the planet itself. Massive domes glow against the crimson horizon. Homes are 3D printed from Martian soil. Artificial suns simulate daylight. Inside, plants grow in vertical farms. Water is extracted from buried ice. Every breath is recycled. Every drop of water is precious. And then, one historic day, the announcement echoes across Earth. The Mars colony is now fully self-sustaining. Humanity is no longer bound to one planet. Years pass. Children are born on Mars. They have never felt Earth's gravity, never seen blue oceans, never heard rain fall naturally. Mars's gravity, only 38% of Earth's, slowly shapes their bodies differently. Taller frames, different bone density, new biological adaptations. Are they still Earthlings, or are they something new? A new branch of humanity begins to form, not by evolution over millions of years, but by choice. Back on Earth, billions watch the red planet in awe. But not everyone celebrates. Nations argue over ownership. Corporations rush to mine asteroids. Political tension rises. Who governs Mars? Is it independent? Does Earth control it? Or does Mars belong to all humanity? The first whispers of Martian autonomy begin. As communication delays stretch between planets, cultural differences grow. Martians see Earth as crowded, chaotic, and outdated. Earth sees Mars as experimental, fragile, rebellious. One day, a Martian leader stands beneath a transparent dome and declares, "We are not Earth's colony. We are humanity's next chapter." The moment echoes across space. A new identity is born. With two planets thriving, humanity becomes a multiplanetary species. Mars becomes a hub for scientific breakthroughs, a launch point for deep space missions, a testing ground for advanced AI governance. Exploration expands toward Jupiter's moons. Asteroid mining fuels a new economy. The impossible becomes normal. But life on Mars is delicate. A single system failure could suffocate thousands. Isolation could fracture society from within. On Earth, nature sustains life effortlessly. On Mars, survival is engineered every second. The colony survives, but only through discipline, unity, and constant vigilance. If humanity truly builds a self-sustaining civilization on Mars, we will have defeated extinction. We will have proven that our species can outlive planetary disasters. But the real question is not whether we can live on Mars. The real question is, what kind of humanity will rise there? And if you had the chance, would you leave Earth behind and become one of the first citizens of Mars?